most worthwhile humanoid robot to purchase at the present moment. And there are at least 4 reasons why you should reserve it as soon as the program launches. Its versatility, cheap price, cost-effectiveness, and home-based business support will bring you significant earnings of up to thousands of dollars per month with a humanoid robot. This might raise some doubts, but we'll explain shortly everything that demonstrates that owning it is a decision you'll never regret. The first reason is its most attractive pricing in the market to attract a large number of orders. We estimate somewhere around 3 to 4 million, surpassing the demand for the Cybertruck. Elon Musk has confirmed at least twice that its price will be only around $20,000 or even lower. The first time being at the AI Day 2022 event, where he said,
It is expected to cost much less than a car.
I'll just bring it directly to the right here.
I would say probably less than $20,000 would be my guess.
And most recently, as Tesla is expanding its advertising campaign for their robot ahead of its launch, Elon Musk continues to share on X that complexity per mass unit is much higher with humanoid robots, but I still think it ends up costing less than half a car. Therefore, with 2 instances hitting at Optimus's price dropping so low, there's no reason for Tesla to release a robot at an excessively high price point that would turn customers away. From some perspectives, we can believe that Tesla has mastered cost control at present, which is why Musk can confidently make such statements. Considering that Tesla's most popular car currently, the Model Y, has a starting price of $43,990 in the US, the CEO seems to be implying a price range between $20,000 to $25,000 for Optimus. To illustrate further about the pricing of the Tesla bot and ensure fairness, we can reference some other humanoid robot models currently on the market and soon to be released. Among these, the most notable are 2 lines of robots known for their speed and high ratings: Boston Dynamics' Atlas and Unitree H1, both of which are being sold at a price point of around $150,000. Next is the Kepler 4Runner, a version quite similar to the Tesla bot and predicted to be priced at around $30,000 when it launches later this year. Additionally, there are other models like NVIDIA's Groot or Figure AI, which are expected to have much bigger price points compared to the mentioned products. The shocking revelations don't stop there. Musk also added on X that the price of the Optimus robot will be less over time. It's hard to imagine, but we still have faith that the Tesla bot could potentially be sold for under $20,000 in the coming years. Prices like $17,000 or even $15,000 are entirely feasible. But of course, it may take years, even decades, for Elon Musk to achieve this. Why will Tesla bot keep its $20,000 price point? On X, Sam Corris's account wondered, a humanoid robot is less than 1/10 of the weight of a car? Can the manufacturing ramp be 10 times that of a vehicle? Does that even matter? Seems like the constraint's going to be a software capability, not manufacturing capability. In response to this comment shared by Musk, he essentially expressed that the actual complexity of producing the Tesla bot is much higher than that of Tesla's EV. This implies that creating the Tesla bot will be challenging and will require more time. But this isn't the core issue driving Tesla to increase the price of their robot. Firstly, Tesla already has the infrastructure and materials readily available to serve its robot, and they are not overly constrained by software and robot processing units because, as you know, Tesla is famous for its FSD, autopilot, Dojo chip, along with Elon's vast knowledge of artificial intelligence. They also don't have to worry too much about battery packs for Optimus because not only LFP packs, but also 4680 packs are being produced at a surplus rate for EVs and other devices. The truth is, if Tesla is facing any difficulty currently, it's simply the shortage of engineers staffing related to Optimus's production, with about 61 positions unfilled. It's easy to say that the lingering difficulty in Optimus production isn't as unimaginable as we think, and $20,000 is not too hard to commit to. Therefore, the attractive pricing is the first reason why buying Optimus is a sensible choice. So, why will Tesla bot be a multi-purpose homemaker?
Because I think basically everyone would want one, and maybe people would want more than one, which means the actual demand for something like Optimus.
Musk has said that everyone will want to have one, even more than one, to talk about the efficiency it brings, whether they're factory staff or homemakers. Let's talk about the homemaker first, because we believe this will be the main direction that Elon Musk will invest more in for his robots. You know, nobody would be foolish enough to buy a robot that can only perform tasks inside a factory. In the recent video, the Tesla bot was able to fold a shirt in 30 seconds with smooth movements. After watching that video, we imagined that if Optimus could just sit at home folding clothes and then put them away in the closet, it would be amazing, wouldn't it? You could comfortably sit on the sofa and enjoy a complete movie during that time. That's exactly what Tesla's aiming for and what customers need. Unlike human labor, a standard robot can operate continuously throughout the day without the need for rest or breaks. Tesla has integrated a 52-volt 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack into Optimus Gen 1, allowing it to function continuously without frequent recharging. Although information about upgrading the battery pack in the Gen 2 version has not yet been confirmed, it may not be necessary due to the reduced weight of Optimus Gen 2, which is now 138 pounds compared to Gen 1's 160 pounds. Therefore, maintaining the 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack seems reasonable. And don't forget, it can carry objects weighing up to 45 pounds. With such a large capacity, the tasks that the Tesla Optimus robot can perform as a homemaker are not just limited to housekeeping and simple physical tasks. With its flexible hands integrated with 11 degrees of freedom, Optimus is not only a regular household helper, but also a versatile assistant in every aspect of daily life. Cleaning up's no longer a burden with Optimus. It not only effortlessly handles cleaning tools, but also autonomously controls vacuum cleaners, saving you time and effort. Especially, you don't have to worry about making breakfast early, as Optimus can quickly and easily prepare sandwiches. With its learning and improvement capabilities after each use, it also automatically cleans up after cooking, ensuring your living space is always tidy and clean. However, Optimus's capabilities are not limited to just household chores. It can also do agricultural tasks, things like pruning, water, even fertilizing. Moreover, as promised earlier, Elon Musk believes that Optimus can undertake complex manual tasks such as threading a needle, something even humans find challenging. Furthermore, educational features are also an important aspect of Optimus. Its ability to read books to children, assist them with their studies, and convey information accurately and quickly make it a reliable teacher for the whole family. For the elderly, Optimus is not only an aid in mobility, eating, and bathing, but can also assist in managing conditions like Alzheimer's, helping them remember important things and reminded to take medication on time. Additionally, with integrated knowledge and repair skills, Optimus can help you address small everyday issues like fixing light bulbs, electrical outlets, or even alerting you to hazards such as electrical leaks, gas leaks, or fires. This effectively and safely protects your family from danger. Therefore, we believe that $20,000 is well worth for what it offers. Also in the past, in an essay for China Cyberspace magazine, Mr. Musk wrote that Tesla bots are initially positioned to replace people in repetitive, boring, and dangerous tasks. But the vision is for them to serve millions of households, such as cooking, mowing lawns, and caring for the elderly. Of course, these are just the features that we commonly see integrated into a humanoid robot. And currently, we dare to affirm that the Tesla bot cannot yet perform all these functions because it hasn't truly reached the final steps related to benefits. We hope that with the promise of delivering a few units by 2025, we will truly know what roles Tesla bot can play in the real world. If the Tesla bot can achieve all those benefits mentioned above, significant savings await you. Now, let's explore the third reason you can't miss it: cost-saving features. So how does Tesla bot save money? It's not uncommon to say that the Optimus is a money-saving machine if it can do a variety of tasks in your home. Before providing evidence that Optimus will be a money saver, please answer our question by leaving a comment. The question is, if you have between $25,000 and $30,000, would you prefer to own a Tesla bot or a Tesla Model 2 for $25,000? We think this might be a hard question to answer. To be honest, from a customer's perspective, we'd prioritize the Tesla bot over purchasing Tesla EVs like the Model Y, Model 3, or even the next-gen EV Model 2. The reason is straightforward. If the Tesla bot can efficiently operate to truly help us save money, then why shouldn't we choose it? In the video where Optimus folds clothes, imagine if it were done in a different setting instead of being put away in a closet. How crazy would that be? For instance, the large quantity of clothes that the Optimus robot folds in the store could be packaged by itself into boxes and delivered by a delivery person. You wouldn't need to worry about hiring someone to pack them or the monthly salary you'd have to pay him. It would be highly beneficial if we could simply purchase Optimus and have it perform money-making tasks such as delivery and manufacturing, thus saving a considerable amount of money. This would provide us with the funds to continue buying more units of Optimus, maximizing our return on investment. In that way, the robots would essentially pay for themselves, allowing me to finally get that new Tesla EV. That's why we view buying robots up front as the clear choice. What do you think about this crazy convenience? More about the humanoid robot Optimus? Check out our other episodes in the Tesla Car World channel. Hopefully, you have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, we humbly ask that you hit that like button and join our Tesla Car World family by subscribing to our channel. That way, you'll never miss out on any of our awesome videos once you hit that bell icon. We certainly value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, take care and God bless.